Hi guys. How is
Hello
lockdown
everyone.
so
Oh,
far?
Hello everyone.
hi, Jaswant. Hi, Saida.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you everyone?
Hey,
Hello
Good.
hello
everyone.
everyone.
Hi. And say what's going on? Any news?
I got Moina from my college and I
Oh,
don't know
that's great.
how to culture them.
Hey Ram,
Okay,
why do
no
you
Can
worry
worries.
when
anyone
I am here?
can anyone help me?
Yeah, why not? When I am here, why do you worry about anything? Let's see this video and you can
Yes.
get very well.
Okay,
Yes, and it is very easy and you can also do it at home. So, yeah.
that's true.
Yes.
Hi guys.
Hi everyone.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Ram, why are you looking so sad?
Maybe I think I had made some mistakes in culturing the Moinas.
What mistake you made, Ram? It's so easy to culture Moina.
Yeah, I know, but I had added few more drops of milk. I mean, I had added 4 drops of milk in the culture cup, but
Oh, what I did. I just added 4 drops of milk. I don't know what will happen next. Let's see. Hey, what is this red in this cup? Oh my god, this is Moina. But how could be this red? What happened to it? Did some mistake or what? How could it turn red? I have to talk to my collaborators about this.
4 drops of milk. Did the Moina die?
yes, no, they didn't die. Actually, they turned red.
What could be that red color?
When I went to Munnar, is a high altitude region, my cheeks turned to red. But when I returned back, the color of cheek turned to normal.
Kashmir people are known for their red cheeks. Why is that so?
Yeah. And then what is red in human?
Yeah, it is obviously blood.
And blood contains hemoglobin.
So, do you think that Moina contains hemoglobin?
Okay, let's find it out.
Hi.
Hi
Hello. Hi
everyone.
everyone.
Hello.
So I'm stuck in yesterday's discussion.
What are you stuck in?
So how cells are coming to know that it's time to produce more hemoglobin?
Yeah, and it is such a tiny organism, and then so it changes its color.
Yes, and interestingly, guys, I found that the 2019 Nobel Prize had gone to the studies of this particular mechanism.
What exactly happened?
Yeah, I'll just show my screen so we can have an idea of that.
Yeah, it looks very complicated.
Correct.
Oh, it
What
is
is
not much complicated if we try to understand.
normoxia here?
So we can break down the words, Ram. So norm means normal and oxia means oxygen. So normoxia means normal oxygen condition. And I
And
guess you must have figured out about hypoxia.
yeah, I suppose it is low oxygen level, but I don't know.
Yes, hypoxia means low oxygen level. Correct.
So then, what is HIF here?
So yeah, HIF means hypoxia inducible factor. It is a protein.
So does HIF get activated in hypoxia?
Yes, exactly. That what its name suggests. Hypoxia inducible factors get activated in hypoxia only.
But does that mean that HIF protein does not bind to the gene normoxia?
Yes, as we can see in the graphic, the HIF1 alpha, the protein is getting degraded in normoxia.
What is the role of VHL here?
So VHL is acting as a tagging protein which is being binded to HIF, after which the degradation of HIF happens. So because of
So,
VHL, HIF is getting degraded.
so Dristan, what is the HIF is doing in hypoxia condition here?
Yes, so that's what the question is. So HIF is going into the nucleus and it is binding to our hemoglobin genes. The genes earlier which were inactive now will be get now they will get active when HIF is binding to them.
The diagram indeed look very complicated, but yet it is very much simplified.
Yes, this is what the Nobel Prize and Moina have the relation.
When I added 1 drop of milk, the Moina was colorless, but when I added 4 drops of milk, it became colored.
So what if we add that colored moina in 1 drop of milk culture? So will this colored moina will remain colored or it will turn colorless?
Guys, we know that many people suffer from diseases wherein they have breathing problems due to the lack of oxygen carrying protein called hemoglobin. So I was wondering that is there any way to study the continuous production of hemoglobin through Moina?
Yes, guys, and one of my uncle who is suffering from epilepsy, and he is taking valproic acid, and I have searched that it is HDAC inhibitor.
Does valproic acid inhibit histone deacetylases?
If so, can we use this valproic acid to keep Moina colored in 1 drop culture?
Hi guys.
Hello everyone.
Hi.
Hey guys, look what I found in my moina culture. I'll just start presenting my screen.
It seems like egg.
Guys,
Wow.
do Moina lay eggs?
No, I don't think so that Moina lay eggs because I have seen them give birth to live progenies. I'll just show my screen. Here you go.
Oh wow. Here we can see that the
Beautiful.
Moina is giving birth to new progenies.
Guess what, guys? While we were busy looking into the Moina giving birth to young ones, I searched the internet and found that under stress conditions, Moina does lay eggs when it's subjected to hypoxia, that the condition of oxygen is less, or when there's overcrowding in the culture, or even when it's exposed to toxic environmental conditions, it does lay eggs.
So we can induce hypoxia as we are already creating hypoxic conditions for Moina to get colored condition, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, we can also use Moina as an indicator. Like Moina give lay eggs only in unfavorable condition. So we can if Moina is giving egg, then we can indicate that the Moina is not the condition where the Moina is not good for Moina.
I was thinking that, as Avipsa said, that Moina lays egg in stress condition, and we already are doing that, right? So why don't we go ahead and design an experiment for that?
Yes, that's a good idea.
Yeah,